Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Governor here, and it's an absolute blinder of a Christmas calendar. We are opening 2 tins. It's gonna be a part 1 and a part 2, so we're doing Sleep 5 and Sleep 6. Not too long now until Christmas, not too long to the end of the Christmas calendar. God, has it been a grind, but it's been great. Guys, if you've been enjoying so far, don't forget to like, subscribe and join this awesome community. First off, we have got ourselves, which we'll be opening today, is the Vorse Raider Tin. Bit knackered, but that is why we're going to be opening that up today. And then tomorrow's video, but we're going to open it today. Tomorrow's video will be total something. Can't remember his name, but we'll know when we open up. Let's crack open the Vorse Raider. Oh, the seal's like just peeling off. Lots of dents. Hopefully he's intact in there. What do we get? We get 1 Dark Beginning, 1 Dark Revolution Volume 1, 1 Soul of the Duelist, 1 Rise of Destiny, and 1 Flaming Eternity booster pack. Oh guys, it looks so nice. There he is, TT2 Vorse Raider. Let's see if he's survived. It looks very damaged inside. Okay, double. Where is the split? Can't seem to. Where's it on the front? Here it goes. Here it is. I'm being silly. There it is. Vorse Raider. So much nostalgia, man. Sentinel's really good as well. Look at that. Just appreciate it. It's like a weird, like, missing ink bit there. How's the back look? We do have a dinged corner up there, but other than that, very clean. Let's throw him in a sleeve. If I can get it open, I'll stick that over there. Get a sleeve. Very, very cool. Vorse Raider. And up onto our packs. Oh my god, it's absolutely destroyed in there. So it's just disintegrating, it's that old. So we've got Dark Beginning Revolution, First Edition Flaming Eternity, First Edition Rise of Destiny, Soul of the Duelist, and Dark Beginning 1. Let us do Dark Beginning 1 and we'll end with Flaming Eternity. Oh, so cool to open. Oh, opening weird. Okay, don't want to damage the cards inside. Okay, we've got Skull Servant, Electric Snake, Bombardment Beetle, Shining Angel, Sanger of the Thunder, Kazijin, Error, Sangan, Magicians of Faith. Yo, that's cool. Error. Tip card. Okay. Scroll of Bewitch. This is a big pack, you know. Tail of the Freckle, Eternal Rest, Type 0 Magic, and Gamble. Should there be that many cards? Loads of cards in there. 13 cards, yeah. But that's cool. We'll sleeve up our Sangan, Magician of Faith. That's very cool. Nice little error there. Okay, on to Soul of the Duelist. Okay, so we've got Unshaven Angular Sandwich, lovely card. 2-man Cell Battle, Dark Mimic level 1. Holy moly. Boys, what a box. What a tin. Okay. Unlimited Horus, the Black Flame Dragon level 6. Please. I don't have a penny sleeve. I've got to stick in this one. Oh, she's beautiful. Yo. Horus, the Black Flame level 6 ultimate rare. Vorse Raiders putting up a big fight here. Oh my god. That thing's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Sorry, the setup is a bit different today. Look at that. Ultimate rare. Horus, the Black Flame Dragon level 6. Oh my god. That's so sick. We've got Heavy Slump, Neo Aquamador, Entangled Mucka Mucka, and Dark Factory. And we still got 3 more packs to go. Yo! Imagine if tins were like this nowadays. Rise of Destiny. First edition pack. Chance for another ultimate rare. Here we go. So we've got Rock from the Valley of Haze. Lighten the Load. So nostalgic. Nightmare Penguin. The Homunculus, the Ultimatic Being. Jesus Christ. No ulti, unfortunately, but we've got the Fossiler Dragon, the Dual Mode Beast. As a rare, the Creator Incarnate. Woodborg Impachi. Borkachi, the Frightening Car. And Heavy Mech Support. Not a bad pack there. On to Dark Revelation Volume 1. Will we see an error pack in this one? Oh, I can't open it. Come on, I don't want to damage it. I didn't bring any scissors with me. Okay. Right, we've split it. Okay. Woo! Right, we've got the Old Vindictive Magician. Union Rider, that's so cool. Dark Blade. Pitch Dragon. Neko Man King. People Running About. X-Head Cannon as a rare. Rare Gold Armor. Demotion. Dark Snake Syndrome. Token Thanksgiving. And yeah, there we go. Guys, if you've been enjoying this, give it a thumbs up for Horus. Holy moly. We're ending this part 1 with a Flaming Eternity first edition. Come on. Let's end with a banger. Whirlwind Prodigy. Elemental Burst. Majigiri Panda. Armed Samurai Benkai. And just a rare, unfortunately, the Mage. Firebird. The Dark Hex Sealed Fusion. Threatening Roar. And Space Mambo. Guys, what a tin. You'll have to stay tuned for tomorrow now. See part 2. See if we can beat the Horus Black Flame level 6. So cool. But if you did enjoy, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment, like, share. And yeah, no, thank you very much. This has been so cool. Very nostalgic. Enjoying opening all this old stuff, and we'll be opening up a lot more to come. So thank you all. I shall catch you all in the next video. So peace.